This is a theme. What is this? Chain. Oh, unsa man ni nasa chain? Mga, diba? Ay parts connected siya. Imagine this is a chain of a motorcycle or a bike. And ang isa diri matanggal. What will happen? Yes. It can function well. So dapat ana atong mindset. No, you are only good as your weakest link. Remember that. Yan ay mong katapad. You are only good as your weakest link. Come on. Walay weak dapat sa atua. Okay, everybody should be strong. Part of this chain. That's why you have to be strong. Ano man kay part ka ani? Okay, unsay kalaban? If this is an iron, unsay kalaban sa iron? Yeah, rust. Okay, because in team, we have to trust each other. Okay, kasi kapag wala ka ng trust, ang tawag diyan rust na. Okay, so again, I want you to have the mindset that we are a chain here. Okay, maski naa ka sa layo, udita na we are virtually, but layo ta, but we are still connected with, rooted in gratitude and united in purpose. Okay, can we give a round of applause? Okay, so let's go to that transformational side. Okay, so pag-usapan natin what happened doon sa activity natin, challenge number 2. Kasi ang challenge number 1 was yung presentation ninyo, no? And grabe kayo, very generous. And I'm happy with that. No, very generous. Kay 10 you dapat, no, hadlokin mo kan sumam. Okay, so number 2 is atong gibuhat ganina. Okay, so what did you learn? Yeah, why important ang teamwork?
If we have natay teamwork, sir, kay mas na-focus din dali ma-accomplish ang
galing palapakan natin si Mark. Okay. And you know the word na ginamit niya, teamwork. What's the word?
Teamwork.
Because I've been doing a lot of team buildings already. And you know what? Ang maraming team, nagti-team build lang. Walang nagti-team at work. Okay, so dapat mag-transition ta from team building to team working. So very important na, no? Nag-build, pero after wala. What happened? Diba? So we have to make it work. Inay mo katapad, make it work. Dapat wala lang ni siya mabilindre, ha? You have to practice this outside. Okay, ano pa? Teamwork. Thank you, Mark. Diba? You have to innovate. Diba? So yung ginawa nyo kanina, are you practicing innovation?
Yes.
Yeah, no? Hindi kayo nag-stay doon sa comfort zone. What is the traditional way of doing things, right? So, nag-reinvent mo. Right? Okay, bakit kailangan natin mag-reinvent? Bakit kailangan natin mag-innovate? Because insanity is doing the same things, expecting different results. What is insanity? In Bisaya, kabuang. Kung saan Bisaya sa insanity? In Tagalog, kahibangan. If you want to change the result of your life, do things differently. That's why you are getting the same result. Kasi yun pa rin ang ginagawa mo. Diba? The mindset is still average. You cannot achieve success with an average mindset. Okay? So, dapat ganun yan. Okay? Yeah, growth mindset. Ano pa? Baka may pahabol pa dyan. Okay? So, number 1, we had the cheering kanina. Okay? We want to drive, okay? That meron tayong dapat hawakan dito sa team. Ang tawag dyan, pride. That's the word?
Pride.
Okay, I wanted to have that pride in a positive context. Sa Tagalog, angas. What's the word? Angas. What's angas? Meaning to say, di ba, proud ka nga naa ka dinhi karon sa nga team. Yeah, are you proud? Oh, dapat na siya. Dapat you show the flag. We have to show to the world. Yeah, we are just here in Davao or something, but we are here. No? Dapat ganun tayo. Kasi minsan, asa nagtrabaho? Dugay kayo mong mahibawan. Di ba? Oh, di ba? Oh, experience tama, ma'am. Di ba? Nga man maulaw man ta. Same experience, di ba? Saan mong i-share, ma'am? Oh, but we know a lot of people, right? Oh, but this is the thing. Tama or tama? Oh yeah, tinood ni siya, that's bringing his students open because this is the attitude that we have. Di ba? We had to be proud. Oh, angas. Dapat mayroon tayong ganun kasi mo ba na, no? Pag mawala na yung angas, wala na. Okay? When an experience, no? We were in Arizona, no, with my daughter, no, with my wife, competing for the Hip Hop International, ang daughter ko. Member sila ng Team Philippines. Okay, so kini ako nakita. Pag tindog dito sa mga bata, kay youth man sila, no, nag-won in Manila and no, nag-introduce 55 number 11 tayo. Actually ang coach. Pag tindog pa lang dito sa mga other countries, wala pa sila gi-istorya. Ma-feel na nimo ilang presence. Oh, di ba? Grabing aura, oy, angas ba? Oh, pero pag Pilipino gani, diesel dugaya pa dito no eh. Because we were trained before. Unsa man, pag-perform ka, di ba? Nag-perform mo mga sa school, di ba? Unsa ingon sa inyong mga parents kasagaran? Di ba? Galingan mo, di ba? Ana-ana, pagka humanay pahabol. Ako ba sa may experience? Ayaw pag hinambog ha. Di ba okay na sana? Oh, di ba? Oh, behave. So, di ba? So, you close. Di ba? Tiklop ka. Sayang yun eh. Di ba? There was the angas na sana. Kaya wala eh. May pahabol. Di ba? Ay, pag hinambog ha, behave ha. So, I'm sharing you this because see, later on, you have also this opportunity. And I want you to motivate people the right way. Okay, so dapat may angas tayo. Tell mo the person next to you, dapat angas. Angas ha? It's not a negative pride. I want to have the positive pride. No? Ownership. We are a virtual job Philippines. Filipino ta. Ha? We are the best, one of the best in the world. Tama? Yes. Oh, di ba? Tanawar ko itong 911, di ba? Wala gawin namatay nga Pilipino. O, ano man, late man. Okay, sa'yo mong ito nahitabo, tama? Oh, so, katong ni sa'yo, patay sila. Pero Pinoy, wa gyud kay wa man, late man. So, it pays to be late today. Are you having fun? Okay, so that's number one. No? Again, I want you to have pride. Okay, wag yung alisin yan. Pag nawala na yan. No? Okay, number two, what we did kanina. Okay, so, wala. Okay, so, unsa man to'y process ka nahitabo kanina. Okay, ang tawag dyan is paradigm. Paradigm. What is paradigm? From the Greek word paradigma. Okay, so what is paradigma? Okay, patterns of behavior. Okay, meaning to say, matic. What's the word? Matic. Diba? Ito, this is the way of doing things. Dili lagi na, dapat ingunaan ni Gyud. Tama? The traditional way. But kanina, sige naman, innovate. Okay, so, the lesson is simple. Unless you break paradigms. Kanandan ba? Patterns of behavior. Pag dili na ito na i-break, walay breakthrough, you will remain the same. Okay, tanaw magod ninyo ganina, from how many, 2 minutes, pila? Pila na lang? 1? Ang anong nahitabo? Are you breaking rules? No. Right? But you are innovating. You are reinventing. You're recalibrating. Okay? So, again, I want to over-communicate. Simple lang. Break paradigms. Okay? You have to break through. Kung naanda na to, break that one. Break the patterns. It is only when you break patterns, you will achieve different things in life.
Thank you!